going to do a partner drill, but the purpose of this is that you learn to experiment. You might try one instructor's way and it's not working for you, maybe even mine. But experiment with it in terms of analogies, visualizations, techniques. So we'll use this one here where he's grabbing my hand and he's pushing into me. And one of the techniques I was trying to use is like the anatomy fascia trains. So I was taking it down in my back, releasing down into my feet, and then bringing it up the front and out my fingers and then through. So that was pretty good that time, actually. But I don't know, it just didn't work for me as well. So what I started to do is imagine that he is like a, you can relax for a second, like a fire hydrant or a hose of water, real powerful, so that all that force that you're pouring, you're issuing, I'm actually just becoming a vessel and letting it pour all the way down to my feet. And I'm sort of sinking with it, releasing with it. And then I'm gonna take that same fire hose of power and bring it up my feet and up through his feet. And that works so much better.
It does.
Wow, could you feel the difference?
Yeah, I feel you doing less. And that's the biggest thing, and I think I'm going back a little further.
Absolutely, you almost hit the plant, I think.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So I think that I just want to really encourage you when you do these drills and things is to experiment and maybe come up with your own that works even better than what you might hear other instructors do. But always believe, or rather keep in mind that it does work. And it's just a matter of how to channel it to you and your mind and your abilities to make that work. So I'll demonstrate this one more time. Let's see, same thing, he's just grabbing my hands and he's pushing, so if I'm resisting, that's how much he would, do it again. Yeah, that's really how hard he is pushing. But what I have to do is I'm doing the strands, so I'm taking it down my back and up the front of me, and then out through my fingers and opening. Okay, so that kind of knocked the breath out from him, so that worked. And then the next one I'm gonna do is imagine that he's that big fire hose, the water just pours down, and that makes me more relaxed for some reason. And then I just hydraulically pour it up through his feet and out. So it's like, whoop. Did it feel different?
It did. When you say the water hose analogy, you use less force.
Okay, and that's excellent. That's the ultimate goal, is less force, using less muscle tension. And also having a really great partner that can articulate that, because you can't always I can't feel those things necessarily in myself. So you need a good partner that can say, no, this one felt better and here's why. So Cannon, we really appreciate you being a part of all this.
I do my best.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks so much.
No problem.
Hope that was helpful for you. Just a short little practice video encouraging you to go ahead and experiment and find what works best for you. Thanks for joining me. If you like my videos, please consider becoming a member of my channel to support me so that I can make more videos like this for you. Thank you. See you next time.